Have you ever felt like your words don't carry the weight of your ideas? Like you have the intent but not the impact. It's not about why you say, it's all about how you say. Hello everyone, my name is Kanchan Dhiman and I am an assistant professor at LPU, and today we are here to vibe up our vocab by swapping basic vocabulary words with some advanced words. So let's begin and vibe up the vocab together. To commence with, do you also say, I live in Delhi while being interviewed or giving your introductions? Now try these replacements. I am stationed in Delhi. I hail from Delhi. I am positioned in Delhi. Now see how these basic words have been replaced and they have added strength to your answers. So next time when you introduce yourself, make sure you use these phrases. Moving forward, while describing our skill set, we usually say, I can manage time well. Instead, you should say, I am an efficient and organized person. The third one. Now you tell me, which sentence is better? If I say, I did this task or I executed this task. Second one, right? Because do is what everyone does, but execute is what leaders do. While presenting, don't say, I gave a presentation. Better say, I delivered an impactful presentation, or I delivered an impressive presentation, or I delivered an effective presentation. Let's take another example. In interviews, we say, I can work well under pressure. How about I stay composed under pressure? Now, this shows your interpersonal skills vividly. So next time, make sure you are using good vocabulary. And the last one. We usually say, I am confused. Why not to say, I am bewildered, or I am rattled, or I am perplexed. Very common words, but we do not use them to elevate our language. And these few examples have given you an idea that replacing basic words with advanced ones can actually make a better impression. Before I conclude, I would like to leave you with a key thought. That is, building vocabulary isn't just about adding new words to your list. It's all about unlocking a new way to think, speak, and connect. So, as you continue this journey, let curiosity be your guide and consistency your strength. Now you tell me, what word are you swapping today? Drop it in the comment box and let's vibe up this vocab together. Happy learning, think big, dream big.